know it. You got to roll with Bill Rivers. Actually, in all honesty, I have not bought a large one yet. I think, the biggest one I bought is a 3-pound brisket so far because I'm testing it out and trying different rubs. Yesterday, it was so tender yesterday. Knife went right through it when I sliced it up. One of the catches, my kid said it was a little too spicy for him. I had a little too much cayenne pepper and a chili pepper in my rub. So I got to lighten it up a little bit because I don't want you trying to use that as an excuse to try to sit there and drink a gallon worth of milk because it's too hot.
That wrong with me, man. Hey, so what's going on, Mike? This is kind of interesting too. They've been talking about the NBA. It looks now like all the coaches for the NBA are going to form a committee for racial justice reform, and